I have never opened up that way with anybody. I'm not on their Instagram. Explaining to him how I felt, and मेरे ऐसे आंखों से टप 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 टप. Sure, the story is not what you expected. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another story time. I know you missed this. I missed it too. And even if you didn't, I missed it. Let's get started with another story time. This one is actually a little intense. I don't know why I'm being so happy about it. It's a little sad, but I just want to give a little bit of a disclaimer before starting this video. It's just that this is just my side of the story. I'm sure there are other sides of the story to this as well because there are a lot of people involved, but I can only speak for myself, and I'm just going to tell you my side of the story. I'm not trying to portray anybody as the villain or someone who did me wrong or just is a bad person or something like that. I'm just sharing my side of the story and the effect it had on me. I just want you as like a viewer to just take what you get from this, like any sort of learnings, any relatability. Just if you're going through something like this, I want you to know that you're not alone, and you know that eventually you might get through it, and how I got through it, all of it. Okay, so this is not to shame anybody or show anybody down. Just want to get that out of the way. Now that is set, let's get into it. So this story starts after my 10th standard, which was, I gave my 10th boards in 2020, and that was the year that COVID happened. So my 11th and 12th were in COVID. I was the COVID batch. So now the thing is, I was in a school. I can just say the name of the school. I think I was in Podar. And the thing about our school is, after 10th, so Mumbai has this concept of junior colleges, which is basically 11th and 12th but in colleges. But our school was like a proper school only, like uniform वगैरह पहन के आप जा रहे हो. It's not a college. So a lot of people after 10th used to drop out to go to like junior colleges, and a lot of people from other schools used to shift to our school because of courses or whatever, I don't know. In our school also there are like different boards. So I was in RN Podar, which is CBSE. There's also Lilavati by Podar, which is ICSE. Now the thing is, we like the students know each other because there are like same buses and this that, so we know of each other, right? So there were a lot of people from ICSE who had also come into CBSE, and there was this one girl, let's call her N. I knew her, like I knew of her. I had spoken to her maybe twice or thrice, I don't know. And she had come and I knew of her, right? So there was some group project. I remember this English group project or something, in which we had taken up the responsibility. Like the both of us were there, and we just started talking to each other, and then a lot of people got involved and we brought them together, and it kind of became like a group, right? And tab everything used to be on Google Meet. So we were just constantly on Google Meet. Like आप मतलब school time में तो we are anyway like in classes or whatever, but even after that, like for meetings and all, and how to do the project and all, we used to just be on Google Meet. Like that was our life. N introduced me to a guy, this really like sweet nice guy who was her friend. Okay, there was this maths tuition thing that was happening, and I also needed maths tuitions because I don't like math. So we needed math tuitions. So N was like, hey, do you want to join in together? I was like, yes, of course, I need it. So N, me, and that guy, we'll just call that guy M. So N, M, and me, okay? We were in the class together. The teacher, by the way, was a relative of M's. Okay? So she was like, you know, this guy has some math tutor or whatever, and that is how like we started talking. So there was this point where N, M, and me, we used to have a joint WhatsApp group also. Okay? Like the three of us, we just used to discuss math में क्या हो रहा है, notes वगैरह class के पहले, and we also used to discuss normal stuff also, like ऐसे ही life में क्या चल रहा है, ये वो. So it kind of became like we were a trio sort of a thing. I don't know, but honestly, N and M were closer. Okay? Because they had met first, they had started talking first, so they were closer. And I personally take a lot of time to open up to people. Yeah, so I will talk to you. Okay? I'm like an extrovert like that, where I'll just go up to random people and I'll speak to them. But I take a lot of people a lot of people, I take a lot of time to open up to people or like consider them close or tell them stuff that's going on with me in my life or my feelings or whatever. तो वो जल्दी से नहीं होता, ठीक है, मेरे से मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता है वो करने में. तो that's why I also, like from my side, I considered N and M are closer together and let them just be like, I don't care, it's fine. ऐसे कोई ग्रुप तो था भी नहीं, तो it's fine. I don't really remember how this happened, but M and I, we became better friends धीरे धीरे because we started talking more and it was so natural to open up to him. ठीक है, मतलब I have never opened up that way with anybody. मतलब आप ऐसे सोच लो कि so in my life now, I have always had more girls around me just as friends. गाइज येस, मतलब स्कूल में जैसे होता है, स्कूल में तो सबसे दोस्त होता है, मतलब ऐसे ही होता है कि यू जस्ट अ क्लास एंड यू टॉक टू एवरीबडी एंड फ्रेंड्स विद एवरीबडी. सो दैट वे येस, आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ गाय फ्रेंड्स, बट आई नेवर रियली हैड समवन हु आई ओपनड अप टू अ लॉट. सो फॉर मी टू ओपन अप टू अ गाय इज काइंड ऑफ like it doesn't happen to me usually. ठीक है, I don't open up to guys. I don't know what problem I have, but I just don't. Girls, I find it relatively easier. I don't open up to girls also, but relatively easier than guys. But यार इसके साथ it was so freaking easy भाई. मतलब मैं literally मैं I think 2-3 and everything was on Google Meet. तो 2-3 मीटिंग्स में like Google Meet में मैंने उसको सब कुछ बता दिया अपने बारे में, सब कुछ बता दिया. मैं भी बता रही हूँ, वो भी बता रहे हैं, हम बस बॉन्ड कर रहे हैं. एंड इट वॉज सो नेचुरल एंड आई हैव नेवर फेल्ट दैट वे यार. आई हैव नेवर फेल्ट दैट वे फॉर एनीबडी. I couldn't believe that I was so comfortable with someone. N noticed that the two of us got a little closer. Everybody kind of in the group was having trouble with her. Regarding what, I don't know. Personally, I never really had an issue with her, except like maybe sometimes वो कुछ बोल देती थी या कुछ टोन लग जाता था या कुछ एटीट्यूड था जिससे मुझे इशू हो गया. बट ऐसे लाइक एज अ पर्सन मुझे इतना इशू नहीं था उससे. बट आई रिमेंबर एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड हैविंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एन इशू with her, right? So M and I, we used to discuss it a lot because we were like almost daily in contact with N because we also had the three of us wala group. I'm so embarrassed to say this because this is not me right now, but back then I used to be a little harsh about people. I used to like judge people ऐसे कि हाँ वो तो ऐसी है, हाँ वो तो ऐसी है, वो ऐसी करती है, ऐसे बोलती है, तो वो ऐसी ही होगी. Not good, okay? Don't do it. So I used to do that. तो मैं ऐसे M को बोलती थी कि पता है उसके इसके साथ झगड़ा हो गया, वो ऐसी है, वो she told this to this guy, वो ऐसी है, वो ऐसी है, ऐसी है. And M also used to agree कि हाँ भाई वो तो ऐसी है, ऐसी है. तो हम बस दोनों इस पे भी बॉन्ड करने लग गए, बिचिंग पे. तो this is what we used to do, ठीक है. And then धीरे धीरे M and I, we also started getting a little distant from N because of everything that was happening. And मेरा one thing that I have is if I'm bitching about you or if I don't like something about you, I'm going to distance myself from you. It's not like कि मैं आपके बारे में bitching करूँगी और फिर मैं आपके मुंह पे जाके बहुत अच्छी रहूँगी. I used to be this person when I was in 6th, 7th around like that standard, and I evolved from that. So I wasn't that person in 11th and 12th. Also मैं N को ये सब मुंह पे भी बोलती थी, ठीक है. Like I have, because she used to come to me regarding certain things that have happened in the group with certain people, and मैं उसको बोलती थी यार कि मतलब तू ऐसे क्यों कर रही है, तू मत कर ऐसे, ये ऐसे ऐसे कर. So it's not even like I'm bitching about her behind her back. I also used to tell these things up front, but फिर वो मेरी बात भी नहीं सुनती थी ना, तो मैं उसकी पिचिंग फिर M को जाके बोलती थी कि देख भाई मेरी बात नहीं सुन रही है, ये नहीं करी, वो नहीं करी. And he used to be like हाँ भाई मैंने भी उसको बताया, because वो M को भी जाके पूछती थी, ठीक है. Like she also used to ask him about the same things, and both of us used to give her advice और नहीं लेती थी, तो both of us used to bitch about it. This is so funny to me now. Okay. So anyway, N is getting distant. There were certain things that M used to say about N. ठीक है. He used to say कि हाँ भाई वो तो ऐसी ही है, ठीक है. फर्स्ट वो तो हम दोनों ही बोलते थे. सेकेंड, भाई मेरा तो हो गया इससे, मैं इससे डिस्टेंट कर लूँगा खुद को. थर्ड, मुझे नहीं रहना है इसके साथ. आई रियली ऑनेस्टली डोंट वांट टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद हर. आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाई आई एम टॉलरेटिंग हर एनी मोर. These 3 things he used to just say. ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप बिचिंग कर रहे हो किसी के साथ और बस वो ऐसी ही चीज़ें बोले जा रहे हैं कॉन्स्टेंटली कि हाँ भाई वो तो ऐसी ही है, मैं तो डिस्टेंस कर लूँगा खुद से, मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्यों टॉलरेट करा, बस ये रिपीट पे बोलता है. एवरी बिचिंग सेशन ही यूज्ड टू से these 3 things about. Certain things went down. I don't know what happened with N and the rest of the group or whatever, but things started like going down a little. ठीक है, I kind of distanced myself. All of us, like the entire group, kind of distanced ourselves from N a little, but not N. ठीक है, like वो ये सब बोलता था, but he hasn't distanced himself from her. She has stopped telling me stuff about, like, you know, like she used to ask me for advice and all. She stopped that because I'll tell you what happened. She dated one of my friends and then things ended badly between them, and I kind of supported that friend. So I told her also that, you know, maybe what you did was wrong or whatever, but मैं ऐसा नहीं थी कि हाँ बस I support that friend, I don't support you, ऐसा नहीं था. I think both of them, I mean it was between the two of them at the end of the day, but I just did not think what she did was right. तो I told her, you know, कि whatever, and I distanced myself from her. मुझे बताना, obviously मुझे बताना छोड़ दी. M is still talking to her like before. He has not distanced himself. They are still best friends, but he still bitches about her. ठीक है, and she doesn't know about it. To me, he still bitches about her to me. Now धीरे धीरे I'll tell you about M and I also. M and I, we start meeting अलग से. We become really good friends. He has come over to my house. He has met my parents. My parents also love him because he looked very, you know, very nice, good boy, very nice. So we have gone out and we have like had a good time. Gone out मतलब not on a date, like just as friends. So we and he genuinely became my best friend. Like I don't think I've ever had a friend just like, okay, मेरे life में ना mostly जो भी मेरे friendships है, it's always in trios. I don't know what it is about my life, but it's always in trios. So he was the only guy, and his friendship also started out as a trio only na, with N, but we kind of survived and he became like my personal best friend. ठीक है, and he was just extremely close to me as a person, and I opened up to him like anything. I never open up to anybody, and that guy knew everything about me. Like every single second मेरे life में क्या हो रहा है मैं उसको voice message करके भेज देती कि तुझे पता है ये हुआ है, तुझे पता है ये हुआ है, what should I do, we just talking, and he used to do the same. ठीक है, and we also used to study Google Meet पे साथ में, like we always were in contact. You're understanding, right? So I remember this one Gmeet call that we had जिसमें he had said something like, you know, do you ever think अगर हम एक couple होते तो कैसा होता? And I was a little taken aback by that question. I was like, I don't know. So the thing is, during that time I had gotten out of a very toxic relationship. That's a different story, but I'll tell you about it sometime. But तो उस टाइम पे मेरे ना दिमाग में about like relationships or dating कुछ भी नहीं था, because that relationship was extremely toxic. It had taken everything out of me, and he was there when all of this was happening. He was there with me throughout this like period of toxicity. Actually no, he was there end में, वो तब तक almost खत्म हो चुका था. तो but still he had seen some of the toxic things that I had gone through, and उसके बाद I had told him in detail about it obviously. So so I was a little taken back by that question. I was like, क्या? And he was like, yeah, I mean तो कभी सोचती है क्या कैसा होगा अगर हम ऐसे relationship में आए तो? And I was like, यार I don't know. I mean I've never thought about it that way. मतलब I think ऐसा ही होगा जैसा अभी है, but I don't know if I feel that way. मतलब ऐसे तो he was like, हाँ मतलब even मैं तो ऐसे ही पूछ रहा था, even I don't feel that way, but मैं ऐसे ही I was just thinking because you know we are already like such good friends, तो कैसा होगा? I was like, हाँ मतलब I think ऐसा ही होगा, whatever. तो बस that's it, that conversation ended, and honestly it wasn't uncomfortable also, because हम ऐसे कुछ भी बात करते रहते थे. तो this was also I think one of those topics. I was just like, हाँ ठीक है कुछ भी बोल रहा है. So I didn't feel uncomfortable also or like uneasy also. It was fine. That one friend that N was dating, who like it ended badly and I thought that she did him wrong or whatever, he asked me out. Yeah. एंड आई was because that guy was a really good friend of mine. ठीक है, नहीं क्या हो गया था उस टाइम पे, एंड आई was like yeah maybe I mean I can consider it whatever, I don't know, like I was just like भाई मैं अभी टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप से निकली हूँ, अभी तो नहीं था, तब तक हो गया था. इट वॉज लाइक 6-7-8 months had passed by जब तक मेरा रिलेशनशिप had ended, but still you know you're just not in that mental state right to do anything. So that guy asked me out and I was like यार मैं क्या करूँ, मुझे पता नहीं, बिकॉज ही वॉज लाइक यू नो इट वॉज दैट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन कि दोस्ती टूट जाएगी, like you know if I say no it might affect the friendship, so it was very messy right. So I had obviously told M about it. I was like यार मैं क्या करूँ, तो मुझे बता मैं क्या करूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. So he got really irritated. ठीक है, he was like भाई मुझे नहीं पता, तू देख ले, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे ये सब मत पूछना यार, ठीक है तू देख ले. And I was like अच्छा ठीक है, मतलब okay, I'll tell you this another thing. M did not like that guy. ठीक है, okay, let's call that guy A. ठीक है, M did not like A at all. ठीक है, he was like A ऐसा है वैसा है, मुझे नहीं पसंद. ठीक है, तो मे बी आई वॉज लाइक कि शायद इसकी वजह से ही रिएक्टेड दिस वे, बिकॉज he does not like A as a person. Because A and N had also dated and M thought that A had done her wrong, whatever. So he did not like him. So I also did not think much of it or whatever, and to A I had said कि we can do like a casual let's see where it goes relationship, because after that हमारा already 12th आने वाला था right, like 12th ending almost आने वाला था, we were in 12th mid. तो I was like यार मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है, because we are gonna go off to college in a few months. So and I wanted to go out of Bombay and I think he also wanted to go out of Bombay. तो I was like यार क्या फ़ायदा, मतलब अभी कुछ relationship तो मैं करनी ही नहीं वाली, कुछ भी कर लो. We can just maybe like you know talk a little, see where it goes, but I don't know. बस ऐसा हुआ. Now during this period that I was talking to A, we were kind of figuring it out. I don't know what was happening honestly with us. अभी तक मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ है with us, but anyway, we were just being kids and stupid. M got really irritated with me because A and N had also dated and M thought that A had done her wrong, whatever. So he did not like him. So I also did not think much of it or whatever, and to A I had said कि we can do like a casual let's see where it goes relationship, because after that हमारा already 12th आने वाला था right, like 12th ending almost आने वाला था, we were in 12th mid. तो I was like यार मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है, because we are gonna go off to college in a few months. So and I wanted to go out of Bombay and I think he also wanted to go out of Bombay. तो I was like यार क्या फ़ायदा, मतलब अभी कुछ relationship तो मैं करनी ही नहीं वाली, कुछ भी कर लो. We can just maybe like you know talk a little, see where it goes, but I don't know. बस ऐसा हुआ. Now during this period that I was talking to A, we were kind of figuring it out. I don't know what was happening honestly with us. अभी तक मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ है with us, but anyway, we were just being kids and stupid. M got really irritated with me. He started like getting annoyed by regular things I used to say. He stopped coming on calls. And he started talking to N way more. And I was really confused. I was like, ये मतलब क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? Oh, I forgot to tell you this one thing. So during the farewell party हमारे स्कूल का normal farewell हुआ, and people also went to an after party. I am not a party person. A is not a party person again. So A and I decided that we can go to A's house, and by the way I had been to A's house before because we were friends and his parents knew me and everything, so we were just like we can go to A's house and we can chill. So I obviously invited him also. I was like सुन तुझे पार्टी नहीं करनी तो तू भी आ सकता है. So he was like हाँ ठीक है मैं भी आ जाऊँगा, because I think he also did not want to party. Everybody else was at the party. So the three of us, by the way, that was very awkward because M did not like A and I knew that. So that was kind of awkward because they were like very together, but whatever. So that also happened. So he had come, ठीक है, and I just assumed कि तब तक ठीक हो गया, मतलब you know if he's come to his house and not gone to a party, just assume that you know maybe he doesn't have that much of a problem. Apparently he did, because after 12th boards ended, M started being really weird. He stopped talking to me. He got really close to N. He started talking to N again. Among like our entire 11th, 12th ka group, I was one of the first people who started college. My college started around July end. I had to go around July end basically, and I went to Hyderabad for college, for those who don't know. So I was one of the first people to leave. And जाने से पहले I had told A that bro, by the way, whatever is happening between us, it can't happen. जाने के बहुत पहले, by the way, I think a month or two पहले only I had been like कि यार हम college जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं हम पिछले 4-5 महीने से कर भी क्या रहे थे. I ended whatever was going on between us before 12th boards only, a lot before. So I was like, let's just not do this. Let's just be friends like we were, because it's getting complicated. I'm gonna go off to college. Let's just stop, okay? That had ended a long time ago, and M na फिर भी चिढ़ा हुआ था. Like कुछ, he wasn't normal like he used to be. Now I'll tell you another important segment of the story. So the college that I went to, M and I had gone together for the interview, ठीक है, of that college. Now M 11th-12th के पहले वो एक बोर्डिंग स्कूल में था जिसमें he had met S, ठीक है. Now there are a lot of characters in this story, I'm so sorry. So he had met S. S lives in Hyderabad. So M and S were already friends. तो उसने बता के रखा था कि सुन मैं भी आ रहा हूँ. And by the way, S was also interviewing for the same college. तो M ने बता के रखा था कि me and आकांक्षा आर कमिंग. आकांक्षा मेरी एक बॉम्बे की दोस्त है और हम आ रहे हैं इंटरव्यू करने. तो S was like हाँ ठीक है, तुम लोग मेरे घर पे आके रुकना है and all of that. रुकना मतलब we were just like day in and day out ही कर रहे थे, but he was like बस बीच का टाइम तो मेरे घर पे आ जाना, whatever. So S was very sweet, his family was very sweet, we like chilled and had a lot of fun, and that was the first time I met S, right? And he was like a really fun guy and all, like mast. Coming back to this thing, you will get this reference in a few minutes. June around time आ गया था and I had to leave for college, right? Like July end तक I had to leave for college. तो M started being really weird, ठीक है, मतलब वो बात ही करना बंद कर दिया उसने ऑलमोस्ट मेरे से, और मैं बहुत ही मतलब, but I was just very confused because it's not in me to break relationships like this, ठीक है. I consider my friendships sacred, because as I told you, it's very difficult for me to open up to people in general. So the people I do open up to, I consider them sacred, ठीक है. तो मेरे में नहीं है ऐसा कि मैं विदाउट एक्सप्लेनेशन किसी से बात ना करूँ. इफ़ आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद यू, आई विल टेल इट यू ऑन योर फेस एंड आई विल स्टॉप टॉकिंग टू यू, बट आई विल टेल यू, आई विल लेट यू नो दैट आई हैव एन इशू विद यू. So I just did not understand. I kept on texting him कि भाई कुछ हुआ है क्या, कुछ हुआ है क्या, कुछ हुआ है क्या. There was no real response from his side. So I was very confused. अभी around end of July आ गया है. I have packed up for college. I'm almost leaving for college, and my friends, like my 11th 12th के friends only, very sweetly the night before I was going, they came to my house to say goodbye to me. Now A had organized this entire thing, like he had gotten everybody together and he was like guys उसके घर चलते, वो भी जा रही है, but he did not come because his heart was a little broken that I had ended things between us. But जो भी चल रहा था between us, तो एक तो पता नहीं क्या ही चल रहा था because we didn't date or anything, but I don't know what was going on. But yeah, so he was heartbroken, so he did not come. So I shouted at him for that, but we were good, like we were friends after that. It's all good. But M did not come, ठीक है. And मेरा ना मतलब दिल ऐसे बैठ गया because like I cannot imagine like your best friend not coming, ठीक है. मतलब मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा, ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड मुझे इस हद तक बुरा लगा कि आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट M might be with S in Hyderabad because M and S are friends. तो आई वॉज लाइक शायद वो S के घर पे रुका हुआ है, शायद ही इज़ गोना सरप्राइज मी और समथिंग व्हेन आई गेट टू हैदराबाद. तो मैं इतनी लेवल की डिल्यूडेड थी. I was just like, I was giving myself delusional fantasies to make myself feel okay and feel better because I couldn't believe that something like this was happening, and I did not know what went wrong only. Like it's not even like we had a fight तो ठीक है, मतलब you know I have some base or some reason. There was nothing यार, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. Anyway, that happened and I went to Hyderabad. Of course he wasn't there. The night I got to Hyderabad, I had texted him, you know, I expected you to come. I can't believe you just did not meet me before I was leaving for college. Like, what? And तब उसका college का कुछ sort नहीं हुआ था या he was still deciding या कुछ तो. So he gave me that reason कि अरे मैं बहुत stress में चल रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं आ नहीं पाया. And I was like भाई कैसा excuse है, shut the fuck up. Like for such a good friend you couldn't make time, like shut up. कुछ भी, ठीक है. तो आई कॉल्ड हिम एंड वी स्पोक ऑन कॉल एंड आई क्राइड ऑन कॉल बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक भाई तो ऐसे कैसे कर सकता है, हाउ कुड यू नॉट कम. लाइक आई वाज लाइक मैं टप 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 गिर रहा था. आई वाज लाइक हाउ कुड यू अबैंडन मी लाइक दिस. तो ही वॉज, आई डोंट नो वॉट ही सेड, ही मेड अप सम ऑफ दिस एक्सक्यूज ओनली कि मेरा कॉलेज का स्ट्रेच लगा, ठीक है. एंड द नेक्स्ट डे ही गोज टू अ कॉलेज विथ एन and I found out on their Instagram. And I was like, भाई तू N के साथ घूम रहा है. And after that, I think they went to eat or something also, whatever. But तू N के साथ घूम रहा है. You couldn't come see me the one day before I left the city. You couldn't come see me. And he was like, नहीं मैं तो बस कॉलेज के लिए गया था उसके साथ, ये वो. और इसीलिए ना आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग सम रिजेंटमेंट टूवर्ड्स एन ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक यार ये सबके साथ झगड़ा कर लिया इसने, हम ग्रुप से निकल गई है, ये कर लिया वो कर लिया, बट फिर भी एम इज स्टिल टॉकिंग टू हर एंड विथ हर एंड वाई नॉट विथ मी बिकॉज वी वर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. वेयर द फक हैज दैट गॉन. व्हेन आई गॉट टू कॉलेज इनिशियली ए एंड आई यूज्ड टू टॉक अ लॉट, ठीक है, बिकॉज वी ऑब्वियसली वी वर फ्रेंड्स देन. सो one day out of nowhere on call, like A and I were on call, and A के मुँह से निकल गया कि यार तू M के बारे में इतना दुखी क्यों. And I used to obviously tell A कि I'm feeling really bad about M, like have you spoken to him ever, like did he tell you something whatever. तो A के मुँह से एकदम निकला कि यार तू why you stressing about M so much यार, वो तो वैसे भी बोल रहा है कि उसको तेरे से डिस्टेंट कर लेना है, you know, he can't tolerate you anymore and stuff. I was like, what did you say? And he was like, हाँ उसके मुँह से तो ऐसी चीज़ें निकली है, blah blah blah. And I was like, bro, like, what? And mind you, if you don't remember, these are the exact things he used to say about N, remember? तो I was really hurt because I was like, भाई ये सेम चीज़ें रिपीट करके मेरे बारे में, जो वो N के बारे में मुझे बोलता था, वो सेम चीज़ें रिपीट करके इसको बोल रहा है, A को बोल रहा है. एंड यार उसमें दिमाग नहीं है क्या? ए एंड आई आर ऑलरेडी फ्रेंड्स, हु आर यू इवन बिचिंग टू? बट एनीवे, तो आई गॉट रियली मैड. एंड लुक, आई एम अ वेरी कन्फ्रंटेशनल पर्सन, ठीक है, मुझे नहीं पसंद ऐसे पीछे जाके चीन करना, इधर उधर बात करना, मुझे नहीं पसंद. यू हैव प्रॉब्लम विथ मी, यू टेल मी ऑन माई फेस बिकॉज आई रिस्पेक्ट यू इनफ टू टेल यू ऑन योर फेस. तो ऐसा ही है. एंड इफ ऐसा कुछ है विच आई कांट टेल यू ऑन योर फेस, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लाइक से मीन थिंग्स अबाउट यू टू अदर पीपल. दैट इज नॉट हु आई एम. तो मैंने M को लिख दिया. आई वाज लाइक भाई व्हाट इज दिस, लाइक व्हाई हैव यू बीन सेइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस. इफ आई फाइंड सम चैट स्क्रीनशॉट्स आई विल पुट इट अप हियर. बट आई वाज लाइक भाई व्हाट यू डूइंग, व्हाई यू सेइंग दिस टू A एंड एवरीथिंग, डिड यू लाइक बिच अबाउट मी टू A एंड ऑल. ही वाज लाइक या एक्चुअली दैट डे आई गॉट रियली मैड, तो मैंने गुस्से में ऐसी चीज़ें बोल दी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई वाज लाइक ब्रो दिस इज रियली नॉट डन. लाइक अगर तुझे कुछ बोलना है तो मेरे मुँह पे आके बोलना, क्यों पीछे जाके फुसफुस क्यों कर रहा है मेरे बारे में. तो ही वाज लाइक हाँ ठीक है मैं तुझे बोलने वाला था, व्हाटएवर, ठीक है, वी स्पोक इट आउट, वी सॉर्टेड इट आउट. बट उसके बाद भी ही वॉज सो नॉनचलेंट, लाइक वी जस्ट स्टॉप टॉकिंग. अक्टूबर में हमारे कॉलेज में एक डांडिया फेस्टिवल और व्हाटएवर था एंड आई ब्रोक माई लेग, सो आई हैड टू कम बैक होम फॉर अ मंथ. एंड व्हाइल आई वॉज एट होम I was really free, right? Because I'm just like sitting on bed rest for a month doing nothing. So I texted him. And I texted him a long para saying, you know, that I don't really know what went wrong. I feel like you replaced me with N, which I was really hurt about because you used to bitch about her to me. So I don't know how that happened, but whatever. So after I got off the bed rest, I was still at home for like 2-3 more days. So he was like, let's meet. ठीक है. So we met up at a restaurant and I have started to cry because I am eating and we are like talking and I'm explaining to him how I felt and मेरे ऐसे आँखों से टप 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 गिरने लग गया है, ठीक है. बिकॉज यार मतलब आई कांट हैंडल फ्रेंडशिप ब्रेकअप्स यार. मतलब मैं बहुत सीरियसली लेती हूँ अपने फ्रेंडशिप्स को, मैं नहीं हैंडल कर पाती यार. तुम मुझसे प्रॉब्लम है, दोस्ती में प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, बट तुम मुझे बताओ यार, मुझे बताओ तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है. अगर मैं तुम्हें बता सकती तुम क्यों नहीं बता सकते मुझे. एनीवे, तो मैं ऐसा टप टप करके रोने लग गई और आई एम लाइक आई फेल बैड, ठीक है. एंड ही ऑल्सो लाइक हिज आईज हैव ऑल्सो वेल्ड अप एंड that is when I got to know that he actually had feelings for me. And He never told me about it, and he just couldn't take it anymore. That's why he stopped talking to me. I think this is the biggest heartbreak of my life, like biggest heartbreak. And my parents also used to ask kabhi kabhi kya hua tum dono ke piche, because they also knew him, they knew how close we were, but I just had no answer to give them. But yeah, this is what happened. It took me a really long time to get over it, and honestly I'm so thankful for S, because I'll tell you guys this one thing कि मुझे ना genuinely लगता है कि M came into my life to introduce me to S, because S has been the biggest blessing. My best friend, I'm so thankful for him. मैं कॉलेज में सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाती if it wasn't for S. He has been there with me since day zero, and he has gotten me out of so many things that I was going through, this included. He has seen this left and right, and I did not even have to explain anything to him because he already knew M. So like he knew the kind of person he was, this, that. So I did not have to tell him many things. He just understood. And I genuinely feel like M came into my life to bring S into my life, and S has still stayed. And M का वो बोलते हैं ना कर्मा ख़त्म हो गया, मतलब S से मिलवा दिया तो he drifted away. And I genuinely believe that. I mean, obviously that is almost kind of like for my own sanity as well. But yeah, it took me a really long time to get over it, but I am over this, which is why I could tell you the story today. And I just want to tell you, if any of you out there are going through a friendship breakup, or if you are going through something similar, maybe a heartbreak or something, I just want to tell you that one day you will get over it. Hang on till that day, and the day you get over it, you're going to be 10 times stronger than the version you are right now. So let yourself go through that pain. Let yourself feel every single thing that you're feeling. You will get over it, and you will become a much better version of yourself. And this is happening for a reason. This is happening so that you can become that version of yourself. So embrace it, embrace the pain, feel all of the pain, because the only way out is through. And I wish you all the best, and thank you so much for watching. I don't know if you guys enjoyed this. I'm sure the story was not what you expected. I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun telling you. And please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday for another video. Let me know if you want more story times.